First box. Oh shit. Boom. Let's put this one down so you guys don't see it. Okay, so this pair is from GOAT. Boom, as you guys can see. So I end up getting this pair off of the Black Friday sale that they was doing. Anything else in the box? Mine did take a little bit longer because of they don't ship on Thanksgiving. So boom, here we have the QR code right there. This is my personal size. I might end up keeping this pair. So we have a size 9 Nike Dunk Low UO Luxe black Volt. QR code right there. Then there go the style code. So top of the box, we have Nike Oregon Dunks, limited. Nothing on that side. Nothing on that side. So, let's go ahead. Another GOAT. This is my first time actually looking at them. Actually, not bad. Okay. I didn't get the other pair that released like a month ago. But once they said they was coming out with an all black pair, you know I had to get up on it. Ooh. The inside too. I'm gonna do it on feet on this pair too. So comes with yellow, light green, and dark green. I ain't even bring the other shoe out. As you guys can see, the insole, once a duck, always a duck. Ducks a feather, or ducks of a feather. Dolph. On there we got Nike. The other shoe. Oh, there go the little Oregon Duck right there. That was paper. It's got Nike on this side. Wait a second. Oh, okay. I didn't think that design was on this one. I'm not gonna lie, like I love the touch, how it feels. Just imagine how it's gonna feel on feet. That's the Dolph. So this is the Nike pair. What else? Okay, nothing. Oh, that's pretty nice. They switched the tags. Okay. Now let's get into this box. This might be a Christmas present for somebody. And these actually just dropped. Yep. If you guys know, this is the Air Jordan 1 Low that just released. So I just got these for my grandma. My grandma says she loves low top sneakers, and I got her a pair of Nike Dunks last year for Christmas. So this year I got her a pair of Jordan 1 Lows that actually just dropped. And I only got it because it actually matched her car color. Her car is blue. So got her a pair of blue and white shoes. So these not bad actually. Kind of wish they did on my high top. Not gonna lie. I'm not a low top person, but she also get a Jumpman sticker as well. Hopefully she don't watch this video, cause then she'll know I got her a Christmas present. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Also subscribe. I will do an on-feet video on these. It's gonna come soon. So